Welcome to the Maths Made Easy tutorial on Surds. In this video we're going to run through some example questions on rationalising the denominator. So here we have the expression 3 over root 5 and we want to rationalise the denominator here, so that means remove the surd from the denominator. So to do that we multiply by root 5 over root 5, so this is going to give us 3 root 5 over root 5 times root 5, which simplifies to 3 root 5 over 5. So that's simple enough. So moving on to the second example then, we have to rationalise the denominator of the following fraction, and we've got 8 over 5 plus root 2. So let's just rewrite it here, 8 over 5 plus root 2. Now to remove the surd from this fraction, on the denominator that is, we're going to have to multiply by 5 minus root 2 over 5 minus root 2. So if you're not sure why this is the case, then you can watch our third video on this topic of surds, where we run through this method. So let's simplify this expression then. So we're multiplying two fractions together, which means we multiply the numerator and the numerator, and the denominator separately. So we get 8 times 5 minus root 2 on the numerator, and we get 5 plus root 2 and 5 minus root 2 on the denominator. So if we simplify the numerator first, 8 times 5, so all we're doing here is expanding out these brackets. You don't have to, you can leave it in the factorised form if you want, but let's just do it here. So 8 times 5 is equal to 40, and then 8 times minus root 2 is equal to minus 8 root 2. And now let's deal with the denominator here. So I'm just going to rewrite the denominator here. So we've got 5 plus root 2 times 5 minus root 2. Now we're going to use the FOIL method for expanding double brackets here. So we've got 5 times 5, so that's the first. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. And then we've got the outside. So that's 5 times minus root 2, which is minus 5 root 2. Then we have the inner expression, which is root 2 times 5. So that's plus 5 root 2. Then we have the last, which is the last two terms in each bracket. So that's root 2 times minus root 2. So that gives us minus 2 when we multiply them together. So if we simplify this, we're left with 25 minus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2. So these terms are going to cancel because they add up to 0. So we're left with 25 minus 2, which equals 23. So the denominator of our fraction here is just going to be 23. Now we can either have it in this form with the expanded bracket on the top or the factorised form, but either way, we have rationalised the denominator in this fraction. If you're feeling good about surds and you want to get some practice in, you can do so with our online exam. It's available through our revision platform. So here you'll find loads of different questions to have a go at, all of which are instantly marked, so you get feedback straight away, allowing you to keep track of where you're going wrong and how you can improve for your exam. So if this is something you're interested in, you can click the link below and it will take you straight there.